Videolar izləyərək ingilis dilində listening səviyyəni müəyyən et.
Mom, I'm home. I have a good news to tell you.
What good news, sweetie?
I made a new friend at school today.
Oh, that's great. What's her name?
Her name is Mia.
Was it difficult to find a job?
No, there are lots of jobs in restaurants, hotels, cleaning, things like that.
Are you still living in your friend's flat?
Yes.
Sarah is a teacher. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. every day. First, she drinks a glass of water. Then she does 15 minutes of yoga. After that, she eats a healthy breakfast, usually eggs and fruit.
What do you want for your birthday?
I want a new red dress on my birthday. Did you order my dress, Mom?
Yes. What kind of cake do you want? You need to tell me right now. We have a chocolate cake, a vanilla cherry cake and a strawberry chocolate cake.
Əgər listeningdə dil səviyyənin biraz aşağı olduğunu hiss edirsənsə, onda inkişaf etdirmək üçün mütləq şəkildə filmlər, videolar izləməyi, podkastlar və audio kitablar dinləməyi unutma. Good luck!